If your mouse is working slow, or you have any other issues regarding your mouse, just follow these steps. First, open search bar, then search for control panel, then open it. Then go to hardware and sound, as shown in the video. Then left-click on Device Manager. Expand the mice and other pointing devices section. Then, select and right-click on your device name. Left-click on Update Driver. Go to Browse My Computer for drivers. Then select the second option. Click on Next. Then again, go to your device and select Update Driver. This time, select the first option. After completion, restart your PC and all your mouse-related problems will be solved. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop comment if you are facing any problems.